Hi, myself Anika Kharka, and I'm here heading the Human Resource Department in this organization. So if I'm talking about my experience, so I'm having overall 7 years of experience in the human resource profile. Here in this organization, I'm working almost like 8 months in this organization, and I have a lot of things in this company. Thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah, hi all, this side Lavleen Gurkar. I'm working as a Senior Manager Business Development here. So I'm working here from last more than 3 years right now, and it was a very great experience to working with this company. I started my international career here only. I learned a lot from Jay sir, Rajay sir, Ravi sir regarding each and everything. At each and every single point, they supported me a lot. They teaches me how to do work. Here I got a team of around 15 people who are working under me. My team is very cooperative, very understanding, and I'm so blessed to have a team like that. And apart from this, if I talk about my job opportunities, so I'm dealing with client, I'm interacting with them, and negotiating with and closing a deal. So it is a very great experience till now, and more to come. I'm looking forward to working with this webmobile company for many years further. Thank you.
Hi, this is Shivam. As a business analyst, I'm working with webmobile from last 2 years, and it was a great journey from the 8th April 2009 until date. It was a great experience with the complete management, the supports they are providing to us, and I'm working as managing the team. I also being the part of the sales team always. I will be the complete BA team is responsible to manage the to handle the calls, to handle the requirement gathering parts, working on the documentation part. So these all we are working as a responsibilities. Along with this, we are also being taking care about the development teams, helping hands in the documentation, understanding the flow of the applications, and the PC team as well. More, I would like to say thank you to the managements for providing us such a great platform and providing us a very good environment and culture over the webmobile from last 2 years, what I have never been experienced in any of the past organizations. And thank you to the HR departments to give us an opportunity to being a part of the organization. And also, the one thing which I want to convey from this, we are really sorry for the development team that we always becoming a pain point for them. कभी टाइमलाइन चाहिए है, कभी ये रिक्वायरमेंट्स, कभी वो रिक्वायरमेंट्स जो फिजिबल नहीं है वो भी हमारे आते हैं डिस्कस करने के लिए. सो आई वांट टू कन्वे द मैसेज सॉरी फ्रॉम द कंप्लीट बीए टीम रिगार्डिंग दिस. बट हाँ, it doesn't mean we are not going to poke you for the same. It will remain. Thank you.
My name is Shubham Dixit, and I am here working as a digital marketing manager, and I am working here in webmobile for more than 4 years, 4.3 I can say. एंड बहुत कुछ सीखी मैंने यहाँ पे आके. जब मैं यहाँ पे आज तो 0 था, और अब तो काफ़ी आ गया है, और अपनी टीम को हैंडल करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मेरी टीम भी काफ़ी अच्छी और अच्छी हो सकती है, बट कोशिश भी कर रहे हैं कि वो हो जाए और जितने प्लेयर तो टाइम पर डिलीवर हों, क्लाइंट से खुश हो, और काफ़ी अच्छा और हो सकता है इस कंपनी में, जो कि इसके लिए मैं तैयारी पूरी कर रहा हूँ, और होप अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा. थैंक यू.
हाय, मेरा नाम ललित सारस्वत है. मैं यहाँ पे ईमेल मार्केटिंग टीम लीड्स हूँ, और मुझे यहाँ पे 4 इयर्स समथिंग हो गया है. बाकी मेरी टीम में 20+ मेंबर्स हैं, और मैं अपनी टीम से बहुत ही खुश हूँ यहाँ पे, और प्लस webmobile से भी बहुत ही खुश हूँ यहाँ पे. और बाकी टीम को मैं वीकली वाइज मीटिंग्स करता हूँ, और मीटिंग्स के बाद में जो भी हमें टारगेट्स मिलते हैं और जो भी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं वो मैं इनके साथ में कंप्लीट कराता हूँ. Thank you, webmobile. Okay.
Okay. Hi all. Myself Anupama Singh. Currently, I am working here as a backend team lead. Whenever I joined in a 4th August, then I have joined as a senior resource. So webmobile give me an opportunity to work as a team lead. So I have a good experience in all things. So thanks for the opportunity and thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम संजय है, एंड मैं webmobile में पिछले 3 या 4 महीने से हूँ ऑलमोस्ट. इससे पहले आई एम वर्किंग एज अ डिलीवरी मैनेजर इन नागारो सॉफ्टवेयर. बिफोर दैट आई एम वर्किंग एज अ मैनेजर in high-tech robotic systems. overall experience of my journey in IT company is around 15 years. Now, in Webmobile, I am leading the delivery team. We are delivering the projects. Past 3 months, we have achieved many goals. We have live many projects. Thank you.
Hi, myself Shailendra Singh, and I'm here in Webmobile as a project manager, and I'm working in Webmobile since 9.5 months, and it's a great pleasure to be a part of Webmobile team because I love my work, I love my team members, which are there day and night whenever we need to be done, at the time of work, at the time of delivery of projects. I love to have a part of this particular team because team is immensely supportive and a great culture over here what we are carrying. Right?
Hi, my name is Pawan Jha and I am associated with Webmobile since October 2020. I am working here as a technical lead iOS teams, and I am handling basically my teams and basically trying to apply the new processes that I have been experienced in. I am having 9 years of experience in mobile technology, and thank you.
Hello, my name is Kaushal and I have joined here as a iOS team lead, but I got promotions here and now I'm a mobility head and I'm handling the backend iOS and React Native and plus Android team as well, and I will learn many things here and I will increase my skills as well. Thank you.
Hi, this is Chanskar Joshi. I work here as a quality analyst. I'm working with Webmobile since last 2 years and I'm really happy to be a part of Webmobile. If I talk about Webmobile, I learn a lot of things from here and looking forward to more. Thanks.